Hello and welcome to today's video. In this video, we will try to understand the store Activate/Deactivate feature. This feature allows you to choose whether to display or hide a particular store on your website's front end. When a store is deactivated, its status is updated as an active in the store listing table of the admin panel, and on the front end, no user is able to see the store on the website except in a few cases explained at the end of this video. To activate or deactivate a store, go to the admin panel and select the stores present under the coupons option in the sidebar. The column status in the table shows the current status of the store. We can use the toggle button to switch the status between active and inactive. Another way to update the store status would be to click on Edit below the store name in the same listing and scroll down to the bottom of the page. Select the value as shown in the video and click on Update. Let us take a store, Amazon, as an example. As you can see, it is listed in the Popular Store section, and its coupons are visible all throughout the home page. If we deactivate it and check the home page, Amazon, even when marked as a popular store, is not visible in the Popular Store section, and its coupons are not visible in the Latest Coupons section. Also, the homepage widgets like Homepage, ClipMyDeals Featured Offers List, and Homepage, ClipMyDeals Popular Stores do not list Amazon and its coupons. Page templates like Store Page Template, Alphabet Store Page Template, Submit Coupons, and other page templates. Widgets like ClipMyDeals Store Category Widget, Store List Widget, and others, and even shortcodes will reflect these changes. It is important to know that the single coupon, store, and product pages will work as usual. So if the landing page of your single coupon or store page is ranked in search engine results or the links to the same are known to users, they will be able to access that page even if the store is marked as inactive. If your store page is ranking on the search engine result pages, then this feature might be very important for you. As having an active page is very important to maintaining a steady flow of users to your website and maintaining your position with respect to your competitors. Moreover, if a user is aware of your store page URL of an inactive store, then the user can access it. So, you might want to keep at least one coupon that has lifetime validity. For example, since most online stores give free shipping on orders with a minimum purchase, you can create a coupon with the title, Free Shipping on Orders Above $50. I hope this video was helpful for you. To understand how to create a coupon, click on the link shared in the description.